to Spain in October was a wonderful idea. After a really long consideration, my friends and I agreed on Alicante. It's a beautiful coastal city situated between Valencia and Murcia, and it's known as one of the sunniest cities in Europe. But to be fair, the end of October was kinda rainy in Alicante too, at least on the very first evening. We started our next day by exploring one of the best neighborhoods in Alicante called Santa Cruz. It's part of the old town and dates back to medieval times when it's set just below the walls of the Castillo de Santa Bárbara. Originally, it was a fisherman's and working-class neighborhood, home to many of Alicante's oldest families. Personally, it reminded me of Barcelona's Gothic quarter in a way. We are now strolling through Alicante and trying to find an Instagrammable building that we accidentally found also some time ago. And we can't. I mean, there are there are a lot of beautiful buildings, but none of them is exactly that one that we are looking for. And I'm actually not sure if we can find it because the address is like a street. And the street doesn't seem to have this building, but I think it's just hidden behind some passages and behind some other buildings, but I'm not sure we'll manage to. But anyway, it's kind of worth visiting because the houses are colorful and they are beautiful for taking pictures, but at the same time it's a very residential area, so a lot of people actually live there, so keep that in mind in case you want to come here to make photos or something. Santa Cruz is bursting with color. You'll find whitewashed houses with bright blue doors and window frames covered in flower pots and tile street names. It also felt pretty calm here, with lots of small restaurants and cafes. We did it, we found the house that we were looking for. It was somewhere else entirely, not where the Google Maps showed. I'll leave you the name of the house, the exact name of the house that you should search for. It's not like the address that you'll find on Google, as always. We were looking for the famous little house with the blue flower pots, one of the most photographed corners in the whole city. Locals say the house's owner started decorating the facade decades ago to brighten up the neighborhood, and others followed. It inspired the colorful style seen through Santa Cruz today. The best advice here is not to focus only on this one house, but to explore others as well. Just keep in mind that these are private homes, so be respectful when taking photos, and you can also leave a small tip for the homeowners. From there, you'll find amazing viewpoints of Alicante's bay and the Santa Barbara castle, so take your time to enjoy. I wanted to make a tour of our Airbnb, but it's already a bit messy, so we'll just focus on the beautiful view. The beautiful view, it's the 15th floor. Sadly, we didn't get the seaside, but anyway, it's beautiful. The whole city from the bird's eye view. In the central part of Alicante, you'll notice some enormous ficus trees. They were originally native to Australia. They were planted in Alicante in the early 20th century, and since then they've grown into massive sculptural giants. The Explanada de España is probably the most famous landmark downtown. It's a palm-lined promenade decorated with over 6 million marble tiles, forming a wavy mosaic pattern that looks like the sea. The place is great for taking pictures, shopping, or just strolling. Alicante belongs to the Costa Blanca region, which means white coast. One of the most prominent landmarks near the city is Castillo de Santa Bárbara. It towers above Alicante and offers the best panoramic views. We'll visit it in the next episode, so stay tuned. And that's how our first day in Alicante went. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.